Hey everyone, welcome back to Beyond Calories. I'm Hasani Patil, and today we're diving into the nutrient that's probably been through more drama than any food group in history: fats. For decades, fat has been treated like the villain in every food story. Low-fat labels were slapped onto everything. People were buying low-fat cookies like they were the health food. Meanwhile, nobody noticed those cookies had enough sugar to power a spaceship. So, today we're going to sort out what's real, what's hype, and what fat is actually doing inside your body. Segment 1, the plot twist: your body loves fat. Let's start with the plot twist no one expected back in the 90s. Your body actually likes fat. Not too much, not too little, but the right kinds. Fat helps build cell membranes, supports hormone production, keeps your brain working properly, and even helps your body absorb vitamins like A, D, E, and K. A study from Harvard's School of Public Health found that replacing some saturated fat with healthy unsaturated fats can lower the risk of heart issues and support long-term health. In other words, it's not about cutting fat, it's about choosing smarter fats. Think of fat like a friend who can either help you move houses or convince you to bleach your eyebrows. The type matters. Segment 2, the 3 fats explained like real people talk. Let's break down the 3 main kinds of fat, but without sounding like a biology textbook. Type 1, unsaturated fats, the chill, helpful ones. These are the fats you find in foods like avocados, nuts, fish, and olive oil. They're the ones consistently linked to better heart health. Mediterranean-style diets get a lot of love for this reason. They're flexible in structure, meaning your cells can use them easily. Imagine them as a helpful teammate who actually reads the group project instructions. Type 2, saturated fats, the middle ground. Saturated fats are in foods like cheese, butter, and red meat. They aren't automatically bad, but they can raise certain cholesterol levels when eaten in big amounts. The science here has evolved. The context matters. Having a slice of cheese isn't the end of the world, but living off of milkshakes probably is. Type 3, trans fats, the ones we don't invite back. Artificial trans fats are the real issue. They're created through a process called hydrogenation, which basically turns liquid oil into something more solid and shelf-stable. The problem? Research consistently links artificial trans fats to higher risks of heart issues. Many countries have banned or heavily restricted them for this reason. These are the fats you want to avoid, like someone who texts you up at 3 a.m. Segment 3, why fat helps you feel human. Here's something that doesn't get talked about enough. Fat makes food satisfying. Not in a cheat meal way, but in a biological way. Fat slows digestion, which keeps you fuller for longer. It also plays a big role in flavor. There's a reason skim milk tastes like sad water. And research from the University of California shows that balanced dietary fat helps with stable energy, mood regulation, and even memory formation. So the next time someone tells you fat is the enemy, remember your brain is literally made of it. Segment 4, practical tips without fear or food rules. Alright, let's take this into the real world. Here are simple, low-stress ways to work healthy fats into your meals without turning it into a science project. Cook with olive or canola oil for everyday meals. Add nuts or seeds to salads or oatmeal. Try fish like salmon or tuna once in a while if you enjoy it. Pair fats with veggies because they help you absorb more vitamins. And remember, no single food makes or breaks your health. Patterns matter way more than perfection. You don't need to measure everything or track grams. Just being aware of the kinds of fats you choose makes a real difference. So, that's our tour of the good, the confusing, and the dramatically misunderstood world of fats. Next time on Beyond Calories, we're wrapping up the micronutrient series with proteins. Why we need them, how they work, and why every athlete, teenager, and grandmother seems to be asking how much they need. If you're liking the show, feel free to follow, share it with a friend, or send over a topic you want me to explore in the future episode. I'm Hasni Patil, and thanks for listening to Beyond Calories. Take care, stay curious, and enjoy your food.